Hello and happy Memorial Day, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 369th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. You can't have a barbecue without some good old baked beans, so that's what I'm going to make. Southern baked beans. And these ain't your ordinary baked beans. It's going to have French fried onions, barbecue sauce, and I got a special ingredient that's going to take these baked beans to the next level. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this will be your new go-to baked bean recipe. And these will be great for your Memorial Day barbecue and for the summer. And these will fly off the table in no time. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my barbecue baked beans recipe, my no-bake summerberry cheesecake lasagna, and my previous video, old-fashioned apple pie. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pork and beans, your French fried onions, and your baking sugar, because we're about to bake some Southern baked bean magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, we're going to start this recipe off by adding in 4 16-ounce cans of pork and beans, and I drained some of the liquid. And into our pork and beans, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 diced green bell pepper, or you can use any color, 1/2 cup of molasses. Can't have baked beans without molasses. A 1/2 cup of maple syrup. One cup of barbecue sauce. You can use any flavor of your choice. 1 6-ounce can of French fried onions. And I save a little to put on top. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Salt and white pepper to taste, or you can use black. And here's the special ingredient that's going to give our baked beans a nice, unique twist. We're going to add in 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple that I drained. And we're going to give everything a quick stir until it's well incorporated. It's going to be so good. Alright, my friend, I'm through stirring the beans. See how simple and easy it was? And this is the part right here when you taste to see if it needs any more seasoning. And if you want, you can add smoked sausage or ground beef, ground turkey, or diced chicken breast. But I'm just keeping it simple. Alright, now we're ready to pour the beans into the pan. We're going to pour it in the 9x 13-inch long baking dish that I greased with cooking spray. Alright, my friends, now we're going to top it with the rest of the French fried onions that I crushed up and 5 slices of bacon that I also chopped up. Just going to sprinkle it right on top. Going to give it a nice little crunch. Alright. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to put our baked beans in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern baked beans. Don't that look delicious? And smells amazing up in this kitchen. And look at the bacon and french fried onions on top. I can't wait to dig in. Alright, so now I'm going to let the baked beans cool for a few minutes and then I'll give it a taste. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Great balance of flavor. I love the sweetness from the pineapple. And I love that crunch from the french fried onions and bacon. Great combination of sweet and savory. These baked beans are spectacular. Please give this recipe a try. Baked Beanlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram. I would love to see your beautiful creation with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Memorial Day.